Adobe Lightroom versus Apple Photos. Which photo app is better? Choosing the right photo editing app can completely change how you manage and enhance your images without wasting time or compromising quality. Lightroom offers advanced tools. Apple Photos focuses on simplicity and integration. Adobe Lightroom and Apple Photos serve different needs in photo management and editing. Lightroom is a professional-grade tool designed for detailed editing and workflow control, while Apple Photos prioritizes ease of use and seamless integration within the Apple ecosystem. Adobe Lightroom is a powerful photo editing and organizing software widely used by photographers and creatives. It works by providing non-destructive editing, meaning your original images remain untouched while edits are saved separately. Lightroom offers advanced features like raw file support, selective adjustments, presets, and batch editing, enabling precise control over color, exposure, and detail. Its cloud-based system allows syncing across multiple devices, making it easy to work on projects anywhere. Strengths include professional-level tools, robust organizational features like tagging and rating, and integration with Adobe Creative Cloud. However, Lightroom has a steeper learning curve and requires a subscription, which may not suit casual users. Ideal users are photographers, hobbyists, and professionals who want detailed control over their images and need a comprehensive editing and cataloging solution. For those focused on creative flexibility and managing large photo libraries, Lightroom stands out as a top choice. Apple Photos is a user-friendly photo management and editing app built into macOS and iOS devices. It works by automatically organizing your photos with intelligent algorithms, grouping images by date, location, and even people. Editing tools are straightforward and designed for quick adjustments like cropping, filters, exposure, and color correction. Apple Photos excels in seamless integration with iCloud, allowing automatic syncing and backup across Apple devices. Its strengths lie in simplicity, ease of sharing, and features like memories and live photos. However, it lacks advanced editing capabilities found in dedicated software like Lightroom and is limited to the Apple ecosystem. Apple Photos is ideal for casual users who want a hassle-free way to organize, edit, and share photos without investing time in learning complex tools. It's perfect for everyday photo management and basic edits, especially for those already using Apple devices. Comparing Adobe Lightroom and Apple Photos highlights a trade-off between power and simplicity. Lightroom offers extensive editing tools and professional organization, making it suitable for users who want full creative control and work with raw files. It's ideal for large photo collections and detailed workflows, but requires time to learn and a subscription. Apple Photos, on the other hand, provides effortless photo management with automatic organization and easy sharing, perfect for casual users and those embedded in the Apple ecosystem. It lacks Lightroom's advanced features, but shines with its intuitive interface and iCloud syncing. For photographers needing precise edits and robust cataloging, Lightroom is the better fit. For everyday users prioritizing convenience and seamless device integration, Apple Photos delivers a smooth experience without complexity. Choose Adobe Lightroom if you need professional editing tools, advanced organization, and cross-device workflows with full creative control over your photos. If you prefer simplicity, automatic organization, and seamless syncing across Apple devices, Apple Photos is the best choice. It offers all the essential editing features for casual users while keeping your photo library effortlessly managed and accessible. Pick the app that fits your workflow and device preferences.